yourself. Discipline yourself with these lessons. Number 1. Set clear goals. Start by defining your goals and what you want to achieve. Whether it's in your personal or professional life, having a clear vision of what you're working toward is crucial. Break these goals down into smaller, actionable steps to make them more achievable. Number 2. Create a routine. Establish a daily or weekly routine that aligns with your goals. Consistency is key to discipline. Set specific times for work, exercise, study, and relaxation. Having a structured routine helps you stay on track. Number 3. Prioritize tasks. Learn to prioritize your tasks. Focus on the most important and high-impact activities that contribute to your goals. Avoid getting bogged down by less important, time-wasting activities. Use techniques like the Eisenhower matrix to categorize tasks by urgency and importance. Number 4. Develop self-control. Strike at self-control by saying no to distractions and temptations that don't serve your goals. This includes avoiding procrastination, managing your time effectively, and resisting the urge to indulge in instant gratification. Number 5. Monitor your progress. Keep track of your progress and hold yourself accountable. Use tools like to-do lists, journals, or apps to record your daily achievements. Regularly assess how well you're sticking to your plan and make adjustments as needed. Number 6. Find motivation. Discover what motivates you and use it to your advantage. Whether it's a personal passion, a sense of purpose, or the desire for a better future, having a strong why behind your actions can boost your discipline. Remind yourself of your motivations regularly to stay on track. Number 7. Seek accountability. Accountability to another person can provide external motivation and help you stay committed to your goals. They can offer support, encouragement, and feedback. Number 8. Practice self-care. Don't underestimate the importance of self-care in maintaining discipline. Ensure you get enough rest, eat healthily, and exercise regularly. When you're physically and mentally well, it's easier to stay disciplined and focused on your tasks. Consider subscribing to our channel. Remember, discipline is a skill that can be developed over time. It's not about being rigid, but about staying committed. Stay patient and persistent as you work on disciplining yourself.